Alright guys, it's Tuesday, lesson 22. Don't forget to start with your name at the top of the paper. It's Power Up F, a multiplication assignment today. Here we go, going across. 7 times 9, 63. 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 9 is 54. 5 times 6 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 9 is 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 8 is 56. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 9 is 45. 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 9 is 72. 2 times 2 is 4. 10 times 10 is 100. 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 7 is 42. 2 times 8 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 0 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 8 is 40. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. 5 times 7 is 35. 2 times 9 is 18. 7 times 1 is 7. Last row. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 8 is 48. 2 times 4 is 8. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 8 is 32. 2 times 6 is 12. 5 times 5 is 25. 3 times 9 is 27. And 6 times 6 is 36. Our mental math today is on page 139 for lesson 22. See if you can't get those side by side on your desk or your workspace. A says 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 25. I'm going to put the 10 on the bottom. I'm going to hang that 0 out, bring that 0 down. 1 times 25 is 25. C says 50 times 5 and 7 times 5. So 50 times 5. 5 times 0 is 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. And 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Now we have to add them. 250 plus 35. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 2 plus nothing is 2. 285. 56 times 4. Put the 2-digit number on top. Multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 more is 2. 22. 224. E. 56 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 down, 1 up. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1 more is 16. 168. We're moving right along here now. We're on F. Lena spent $1.50 for a notebook and 25 cents for an eraser. How much did she spend all together? Now you got $1.50 with a decimal point dollar sign. You got 25 cents. Write that one as $0.25. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 0 is 1. Don't forget your decimal point and your dollar sign. $1.75. G. The driving time to campsite is 180 minutes. If the family stopped for 30 minutes to eat lunch, how long will it take them? So you're driving for 180 plus 30 minutes to stop. So now it's addition problem. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 down, 1 up. 1 plus 1 is 2. 210 what? Not miles. 210 minutes. And the last one, number sense. Start with 6 times 6. You get 36. Minus 1, 35. Divided by 5 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. Divided by 2 is 4. Problem solving problem today. Choose an appropriate problem solving strategy to solve this problem. 400 and something 6 minus some 100 1 something equals 200 and 37. All right, if we got a 6 here, and it's going to equal a 7, which is bigger, you can't plus 1. So you're going to have to subtract here. And so what would you do to get a subtraction? Well, obviously you got to regroup 1 here. You bring over a 1. So now you got 16 minus what equals 7? 9. Okay, good. So we got the first one figured out. Now whatever we do to minus 1 here to get a 3 has to be 1 more because we regrouped it. So I know 4 minus 1 is 3, but we regrouped 1, so it's got to be a 5. And we crossed out the 5 to make it a 4 to bring this one over here. Okay? And the last one I think is the easiest. What 4 minus what equals 200? And it's 2. So we used our reasonable thinking to figure that one out. Okay, today's has 3 examples, and we want to fit in 3 other problems in there, so divide this into 6. For an A+, you must have writing in all of these boxes. And I feel like I've been saying this too much. So you got 50 trading cards are to be placed in a protective sleeve. Each page can hold 8 cards. Alexa off. How many pages will be filled? What is the least number of pages that is needed to protect all the cards? So you got 50 baseball cards. You can put them into pockets that have 8 in each one, see? And a lot of times they leave that middle one out. So this will be like if you were saving baseball cards. So this is the kind of problem you're going to have here. In my next video, we're going to figure that one out. But this is what you have to write on the back. Each one of these examples, and then as well as some of the lesson practices. All right. See you in the next video.